Welcome to day 27 of Zen31, balance breathing. So come to a seated position, and you want to sit away from the wall. Lengthen up through your spine, relax your shoulders. So if you haven't noticed by now, it's a pretty traditional position that we come into when we focus on our breath, either a seated position or lying down. And balance breathing is a very, very simple breath. And I like this breath because it's easy to remember. So at any time, if you're feeling you need to calm down, if you feel your breathing is out of control, if you're feeling anxious, balance breathing is a wonderful way to relax. And it's very simple. It's an inhale for a count of 4 and an exhale for a count of 4. The main thing is you find the pace that works best for you. So lengthen up through your spine, eyes are closed, and let's breathe through the nose. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now continue on your own, at your own pace, following the breath. As you're breathing in and out, make sure you're counting to yourself to keep yourself present and focused in the moment and your mind clear and open. After that final exhale, open your eyes. Notice how much more relaxed and aware that you feel in your body and in your mind. Use this breath anytime you need to bring yourself back to the present moment. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow for day 28.